come over material extrusion. I think I told. So different technologies. So what we saw the VAT photopolymerization yesterday. So and then material extrusion, material jetting, laser powder bed fusion, powder like PED reversing, and then refrigerate will see later. Laser powder fusion, and then sheet lamination. Sheet lamination we don't talk about yet. So we'll see material extrusion. So that in that we have FDM or we will call it as a triple F. Okay, fused filament fabrication or fused deposition modeling. So both are same. Okay, so first I will design a CAD model, then we will slice it, convert it into SL, slice it, and then we'll head it.
FDM में है आज
Can you make it half solid and half solid? Half of it can be later.
You want to cut it actually. You want to make it
Half. Base should be solid,
Hmm.
and the extrusion would be a hollow box. So you can.
half is solid and half is hollow. Is hollow. And cut it. Yes, I have cut it. safe for him. So there will be many problems. Okay, it's a written progress here. This is created triangles. Now for this filter, if you have any slides ready. Size is 220 to 235. So 22 centimeter length, 22 breadth, and then 2.2, 22.5 length. So we import the file. So again, these features, we can add the plate, another plate. Okay, we move on. So we have one plate. Then we have auto orient. Okay. So if the plate can say this one, it will auto orient. Like it will optimize without any support structure or using less material, less time. So it will optimize. Okay, in that way it will orient. Okay. So now
Time taken.
it will calculate now at the end.
So what do you take more time?
Yeah.
Because
Material is so if I make it horizontal, so we will take a support structure. Like I will show one part, without support structure, what will happen? Okay. So if support structure will come, again it will take time to print those support structure. That will take extra time, extra material.
It will be easy to do.
It will be easy to do. We'll do one print with support structure also. So we have three printers, we print different parts. Okay. So this is the optimized one. So you can orient it any way. Okay, so this is, you can move again same things. And this is the
what do
orient.
you mean by optimized one? What do you mean by optimized one?
That's what I'm like, using less material or less
So
space.
you are telling the position is the optimized
Position.
position. Okay.
You can rotate this in any way. So, and then this is scaling after this one. So if you want more meter and then you can do this in all the axes. So if you select uniform, it will take all the axes. Right, unselect it will take only one axis where I'm editing. Okay. So we don't want that one, we want it that much. Okay. So again I again see this is upon the plane. This is the plane. And then we have cutting, so half of support painting, so that also you can seam painting, which means CA. And then you can also add text also, here also you can add text, but we already added. So this is measurement, we know the dimensions already, we don't do it. So next we will see this is a printer and then filament selection. So Anycubic has different printers. So which we have with us is Anycubic Cobra 2 0.4 mm diameter nozzle. So I'm selecting that thing and then these filaments like we can add these things. Okay. So go there and I want to add. So this is already created now. So if I change anything here, I can create new one. So I create new. So it has given already optimized parameters. Okay. Printing temperature, filament diameter, all those things. Okay, this is regarding filament. So diameter, density, so in case price everything is there and tooling. So after the every layer prints, it will start tooling. Okay, so that tooling speed and all. Okay. So these are all we are using. So this we may be using multi-material printing all those things. Okay. So MNC code it is generated on code. So multi-material change, these things are not using much. Okay. So these things will come automatically and then I have not changed anything. When we don't have PET's material with us, so I have already created a clearly optimized parameters. These two. I will select any one of these. Okay. I will select any cubic clearly. Okay. So and then within these things we have these quality, strength, speed, support, multi-material and others. So we have to go on choosing these things. Okay. So layer height will be 0.2. So and then first layer height can be like we can vary these things, how much we want based on this thing. Okay. So since these are optimized, we will not change this thing. We can change only the infill density and then the support structure and then input pattern, those things. Okay. So yeah, I will not change these things now. So I will change the strength. Okay. So now it has 15. So what we will try is we will try with 10, 30, something. We will vary, and then you can check the hardness how it will become. Okay. So I will make it 10 now. Okay. So and then pattern here. So top surface, like end of the part, what we have to do. You can see. So it is monotonic here. We will see. Let it be like as it is, and then in next part we will change that. And then bottom surface pattern, the release layer, and then in place, and then we see in between the material, in between the bottom and top, in between. Okay, so that will be guide rod. So actually, rectilinear and then guide rod will be stronger. So in compared to studies. That is also gap is more. So as for studies, rectilinear and then thyroid is strength is little bit more. I think there will be at least force may be difference, but these two are. So I said rectilinear. So we can vary the speed here also and then printer also. Okay. So I will let it do this thing only. Okay. First layer and then first layer infill and then after that we will increase. Okay. So if you are going for mass production and all, you can change the speed, but you will not get the best quality prints if you go for higher speed. Okay. So now, so support is not enabled. I will enable the support. So we have different normal, 3, then automatically it will generate and then manually we can add. So I will take a 3 and then automatic. Okay. So and then we can define the infill density of that support structure also. again the bottom layer, top layer, everything will come here. So I won't change anything. I will just enable that support, and the multimedia we are not doing now. Okay. So I won't touch anything here. And there is also we don't do anything. Different materials. Single part, half one material and half other material. So that we don't have. So in that machine we have, that is not working. So this is done. So we are going with the rectangle and then 10% impedance. So what I will do is I will slice this part. Support structure. So we first select normal. So this will show you the parameters or time taken or the material used by the printer. So you can see how much percentage, how much time it will take for inner outer wall everything. And then material used. So here is the total filaments. So 10.74 grams. And then time taken into 32 minutes. So we try to reduce this. Now it is 9 minutes. So I will export this G4 to, actually we don't have a wiser facility for that printers. So tiny printers. So manually so I will say that this is memory card. So we go for this packet. Yes, so this is a Anycubic Cobra 2 new printer. So you can see the size here, printer 2020, 220 into 220 into 250. I said 230. So height will be maximum 25 centimeter height. So 22 centimeter length and breadth, maximum 20. Okay. So so this is a PLA. So we have a diameter of 1 TP. So this we have the diameter of this filament is 1.75. Okay. So we are using PLA. We can use the ABS. We can use the ETG and many others. So PLA is mainly for prototypes, just to show the models and the projects. And all. So ABS we use in automobiles, actually in industrial purpose. Okay, that material. I'm not saying it's 3D printed material, 3D printed parts, but ABS is used in most of the. It has more strength. And then TPU is very flexible.
All screen type.
Printed. So that is flexible. This is I think this is a PLA. So this is a TPU, you can say very small. This is PLA, which is hard. So when the filament get damaged or it is not good, the print will be like this. Okay. So I will show it again now. Yeah. So those are the things. So PLA is polylactic acid. ABS is acrylonitrile butadiene, thermoplastic material, and then TPU is thermoplastic engineering material. Okay. So these are again, I think these can be more than. So as of now we are using spell method. Okay. So yeah, that is thing about material. Setting up will show in that machine. It is already feeded into the extruder. So this is a base and this is a extruder. Okay. So I think sir has explained, like it will come. The filament is hard here, so it will melt here. The temperature is given on that. Like that will be different for different materials. That can show. So it will be written on that. So spool itself. What is the melting material and what is the bed temperature? Okay. So based on that, that's what I have created the PLA material there. So everything will be stored there. What will be the temperature of first layer? What will be the temperature of further layer? Here it is written.
We have to feed
Print.
those. We have to feed those.
It will come automatically. Okay. Softwares are so much smart that they have already fed everything.
Material.
If you want to do more optimize, you can do research and you can optimize those temperatures to get your better research products. So here they are given. So 205 to 210. Okay. So those things will come here automatically in the slicing itself. Okay. So that is the thing. Now we'll go to this printer. This is a small display where we can control. Okay. So yeah. So we are in the settings. Actually, if we are not getting a filament, we'll go to filament and then we say extrude. It will melt and it will show whether the filament is coming properly or not. Okay. So it has to heat. Okay. That is. So if you want to take it out, it will say retract. If you want to show, like take it out, so then come down, it will say extrude. Okay. So I think sir has explained maybe jalebi making. So same thing. Okay, well, while putting a jalebi, how it makes how that thing will come. In that same way, the painting will happen.
So the dance coordinates will set in the sensor.
Which
The dance is there. So we have to adjust here.
But it will take a minute. Now it was here, I moved. I will create it somewhere there.
Okay.
It will take, it will calibrate first and then it will go for it. Whatever you can say, homing. It will do homing and then it will go for it.
Substrate need to be in the common temperature.
With substrate. No ma'am, it will heat up to for 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. I think now you can see the material is coming properly. So it will be now at 220 degrees Celsius in the nozzle. You can't touch 20 degrees Celsius. So if I say retract, it will come. I can remove it and change the speed. So now and then you said auto level is there. Whenever we set up new, so we'll say auto level, it will set all the things automatically on its own. We won't touch it. Okay. And then we can move the axes. So this is how it will go here. Say home all. calibration, if we want to do say position calibration, it will. Okay. So since it is already calibrated, so I won't go for this one. Now, yeah. So these are all the things. This jet is this bed position. You can see it is already calibrated on its own. I won't change. And then you can change the speed till 120. Already it was set there. There we can increase or decrease there also and here also. 80, 100 and 120. So it will be 100. And then this is a bed temperature and this is a nozzle temperature. Okay. So now. Yeah. So now, so this is a where we can find our files in the memory card. So we go here. So we were doing FDM demo period, whatever I have created. So I will select that thing. I will say print. So it will heat up till that temperature, 220 degrees Celsius nozzle and 60 degree bed. So now you can see the bed temperature is increasing. So it is now 38. So till then it won't move. After it will hit that temperature, it will warm everything and then it will start ready.
The total temperature of material will be 280 degrees.
220.
220 plus bed will be 60 degrees.
But like it is for only first layer, no, after that will come up that material. Like to stick it on that bed, it will.
Cooling is natural. Cooling is natural.
Natural.
It doesn't require any other fuel tank.
No. I think many of you have already worked on it. Maybe with different combinations.
Support is required, what is it using for a slide? Support we can show in green color. What material do you have?
Same material, whatever material is there, that material only it will.
How to separate it?
We cut it, you can cut it. Let them see that. So if no support structure, this will happen. You can go ahead. Go for it. It was printed like this. So there is no, it was no, we didn't have any support. So the print is like this. So support, that's what support. So if you print in this way, we don't need anything. So that's why it will optimize when we say support.
But the strength of the support is also equivalent to this.
No, it will be less.
That we have to select what custom it has to.
Like by default it will be less than that. We can select it also. How much strength it should be.
Outside X, Y, Z. Indian one technician machine madam. Indian one technician select ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೋಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅದು ಮೆಜರ್
So now explain the
Sir, our interns will explain here. So how this actually is working. So now they'll explain.
These are work permits? You are extruding this now?
Not exactly extruding, just the
Explaining,
Yeah, people excuse me. Those people will explain like how to extrude this. Till then, it will take, please insert it. Filament extrude.
people just done this.
1 minute. ये हो रहा है ठीक अभी रुक जाइए हम कर देंगे
I will just open it. Good morning, everybody. So today I will be explaining the extruder that is used for making filaments. So this extruder consists of a extruding unit. This is the extruding unit. This is the cooler unit,
So whatever
and
these
this
are
is the
recommended.
spooler unit.
So that we can.
So in extruder, so we have a panel where we can see the temperature. So this is SV and PV. So this is the set value. So whatever the temperature will be there for the material that we want to extrude, the temperature is set here, and this is the present temperature value that is of the extruder and the nozzle here.
So this is a
So this is the knob that where we can adjust the speed of the extruder inside. So by optimizing, we get those speed, and then we can extrude the filament out of it. So whatever filament comes out here, that will be in molten state. There are chances that it will get damaged. So that should be cooled as soon as possible. So we are using this cooler unit where the filament will be cooled. Then we put into these rollers. It gets rolled out here. Then we will be spooling the entire filament here. So these are the CLA pellets that we use. Then just have a look. screw inside that extrudes. As we put the filament, the screw takes the pellets forward. Here we will be having a heater unit inside where it gets melted and we get the filament here. So we'll just pour the pellets inside. So it takes some very small time, but it takes time to just melt and come out.
ಓಕೆ ಬಿ ಎಲ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ 148 ಬೇರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ
Yeah, both them, but that is not actually working. So we have to stick, that's why you have to optimize the temperature. So these are the filaments that are taken out.
ಅದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಇದು ಪಿ ಎಲ್ ಎನ
PLA. So this machine can be used like whenever you are working on a new material or the new compound want to create a new composite. Based on your application, you can make your own polymer and use those filaments in this and create a new filament and make a 3D part of using those filaments.
ಎಸ್ ಐ ಪಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಪೆಲೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಎಲ್ ಎ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಪಿ
Dissolve that solvents and dissolve to use a manufacturer.
ಓಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪುನಃ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೆಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓ ಹಾಗಾಯ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪೆಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ
That won't be possible because the temperature, the melting temperature of polymers will be
ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.75 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೌದು ಅದೇ ಓಕೆ
So for now, as of now, after seeing from whenever we get the like sometimes what happens, companies will make it. So there is have been already optimize the machine. Whenever we initially optimize, then we take the full of it.
ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೌದು ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ
That is only your so this is all the ways. This is initially we had done with the material, so all the ways is coming
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು
So this is the initial like the
ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಾ
previous
ಓಕೆ 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 ಸರಿ
we had used GLA so
ಓಕೆ
Strength है कुछ
ಹಾಂ
to
ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ
no sir actually
ಅಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಸರಿ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
like handling this speed, optimizing the speed of the rotating thing.
Huh.
This and this, even this can be very speed of this.
When it is completely optimized, we get one thick.
So what's the problem is that either this speed will be low or that becomes very high. When we put the tracks, the tracks and it makes
okay,
the
okay.
failing with that diameter. So we thought we will keep both the speeds similar. Since we don't have a digital thing to actually put the speeds, so we optimize it.
ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ
Only the maximum mid range and minimum we can.
ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏನದು
So decide
ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾ ಏನದು
the screw is there, no? So
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಅದರ
that will-
ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್
that will be rotating.
ಓಕೆ
So that speed also is very important for the. If it is minimum, the speed of the screw will be very less. We get the material at very low speed.
ಓಕೆ
ಈಗ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ವೈರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ
Actually, ನಮ್ಮದು very thin
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್
ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಕ್ಕಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರ್ಗಳು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು
ಹಾಂ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಷೀನ್.
So till what time we should let it just?
Like we need to see the entire, can see the color difference.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ
Series material, SIC ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಾಗ್ತದೆ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಊದ್ಬತ್ತಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ
ಹೌದು
But it was stuck for a long time and I have not used it. So we can use
ಇರೋದು ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ
ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನೋಸ್ಗಳು ಇಬ್ಬರು
ಎಂಟೆಕ್ ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿನಾ ಓ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರಾ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಸಾರಿ
ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಸರ್
ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಷಿನ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಹೌದಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾಲ್ಕೇ ಜನ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯಿತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಜನ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ಲು 24 ಜನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಎಚ್ ಓ ಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋ
ಇದು ಫುಲ್ 148 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು 148 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದು ನೀವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಇದು 140 ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇದು
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ
ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಅವರು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ನಾನು ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆನೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡಿದೆ
it was under maintenance. So it stopped rotating, now it won't come out. It just solidified inside. So for that again we will do with the repair process for that.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೆಮೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡೆಮೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
Just the working process.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಗ ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ
ಈಗ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಇದೆ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೌದು ಅದೇ ಹಾಂ
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಸಡನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆಯಾ
ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮೊದಲು ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ದು
ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಪುನಃ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ
ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಾಲಿಡಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ABS ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲಿಡಿಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು